Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are I am refining one of my kitsune's traits, and Belly Boop is with us, so we're gonna do it with her. Yes, I am using a wish refining coin. Yes, Belly Boop gave it to me. She was so nice. Shout out to her. And so I am going to use a wish refining coin. Yes, so we are going to refine one of my kitsune's traits. Okay, refining the pet. You. This one. Alright, let me back up. Eye shape. I want the eye shape to be a little different. So, okay, let's refine it. Oh my gosh, it's actually really cute. It's really cute. Alright, that was it. Now let's see it all grown up. Yay, it's adorable. Oh my gosh. Let's take it out. I am a member again. Right. And I will be doing the giveaway soon until we have a lot of users in the I got this. The eyes are different. Hold on, let me type it. The eyes are different. It's so cute. I don't like the skull eyes. It's not really cute with the skull eyes, but I kind of wish they were like cute eyes. I don't mind if it doesn't have eyelashes, but like it's pretty cute. Yeah, it's really cute. She agrees. I also need a wishing coin, a normal wishing coin. But my refining coin, I kind of really wanted it. So yeah. It's so cute. Really cute. Bye guys. See you in the next video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, please shout out to Belly Boop for giving me a wish refining coin. But bye.